Welcome. This is a LSviewer, browser-based 3D viewer for FANUC robot.ls program files. The entire application runs inside a single HTML file. No installation, no server, no dependencies. Simply open it in any modern browser. First, we import a FANUC.ls program file. The viewer automatically parses the /pos section to extract all defined robot points. Each point is rendered in 3D space using Three.js, forming a smooth, responsive point cloud. Next, the system parses the /mn motion section. Based on J, L, and C motion instructions, the viewer reconstructs the execution order and draws the full motion path as a connected line. This gives an immediate spatial understanding of the robot trajectory. Now, we demonstrate cross-highlighting. When clicking a 3D point, the corresponding program line in the code panel is automatically highlighted. A green marker appears in the gutter, clearly indicating the selected P and reference. This makes it easy to correlate spatial position with program structure. The interaction works in both directions. Clicking a motion instruction or P and reference in the code instantly highlights and selects the corresponding 3D point. This bidirectional linking significantly improves program debugging and path analysis. Hovering over any 3D point displays a tooltip with point number, X coordinate, Y coordinate, Z coordinate. This allows fast coordinate verification without navigating through raw program text. The interface includes full 3D navigation controls. Left mouse button for orbit, right mouse button for pan, scroll wheel for zoom. The experience remains smooth even for larger point sets. The viewer also includes an edit mode. In edit mode, the raw.ls file can be modified directly in the browser. After editing, pressing Save downloads the modified file. Returning to view mode automatically refreshes the 3D visualization using the updated data. This tool provides a lightweight yet powerful method for robot path visualization, program verification, debugging motion sequences, educational demonstrations, all without installing dedicated offline programming software. LSviewer. Fast. Standalone. Built for practical robotics workflows.